And so anyway, that was so much of the governmental aspect of trying to solve things for people, but then the school issue became a very important one. And we needed schools. And Rick O'Connell was the head of the school district at that time. Not that he was the, what do you call him? The
Superintendent.
Superintendent. And Joe Blake knew him very well. Joe Blake knows everybody. And so anyway, we went out to talk to him, and Rick was loved fishing, as do I. But we talked, I think, more about fishing than anything. But anyway, we then talked about schools, and we wanted to have a school there. And they were willing to think of giving us Highlands Ranch High School if we would build a road that would access it. And so I think that is why Lincoln Avenue became a real important road over to that area. And we made a deal with them, and Highlands Ranch High School was built. But that wasn't the end of it. And Rick comes in and he said, we need elementary school. And he said, you need one? I said, yes. So I gave him the land for the Northridge Elementary School. And I feel real proud of that because a little plaque is in the wall. I'm not a big bragger, believe me, who's ever watching it. So, but it's been such an experience, and the school district, all these entities became our friends. And it wasn't just because of me, but my guys were really good, decent, meaningful planners and accountants and you know, everything. And we just had a great team here that was fantastic.